Hi, I'm Joyce Fields, and this video is for ladies in their 20s, 30s, 40s, maybe even in their 50s and beyond. I have been exercising irregularly for over 35 years. And I just want the young ladies to know that if they start now to exercising and watching what they eat and all of that they can be fit well into their 70s. I am 76 years old. What I do is, now last year I weighed 159 pounds. My goal weight was, it still is, 135 to 140. I got on the scale yesterday and I was at 138. So that's, 159 to 138. So everybody can do that if that's what they want to do. You can lose weight, you can stay fit, you can get fit, and it's all about what's in your head. If you say you can't lose weight, then you will not be able to lose weight. You're not going to make yourself a liar. So if you program yourself the other way and say that you can lose weight, you will lose weight, then your body and your mind work together to help to condition you to lose weight. So stop saying you can't lose weight. And so that's how your mind works. So your mind will work with your body. So you're not going to make yourself a liar, so you won't be able to lose weight if you keep saying you can't lose weight. Now what I do is I do flies. These are 5-pound weights, and I do flies. I do about 10 to 20, just depends, of flies. Then I also do squats, still holding the weights. You can feel it too. You can feel it all in the back of your thighs. And do as many as you can. I do 25, but you can do 2 or 3, and you work your way up. Then I also do leg lifts. I have 3-pound weights on each leg. It's 3 pounds. And then I just sit in the chair with the back all the way to the back of the chair, and you lift them and bring it down. Lift it and bring it down. You can feel it in here. So that's just some of the exercises that I do. There are a lot of exercises that are online and on television, on YouTube or whatever. Do yoga. You can do whatever suits your fancy as long as you keep your body moving. And I did the Sacred Heart medical diet, and I'll put the link on the bottom of this video. So that's just soup, vegetable soup. It's got green beans, tomatoes, onions, bell peppers, and carrots. So I'll put the recipe, not the recipe, but the link at the bottom of this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.